Hello and welcome. Welcome back mga kapatid. Thank you guys sa lahat ng mga tumatangkilik dito sa aking YouTube channel, The Star to Kintaro. I love you all. Namimiss ko kayong lahat dito. And by the way, if ever this video happen na makita mo napakaswerte mo na. The good luck is meant to find you. Ito ay good luck para sa inyo. So this reading is about family bonding, adventure, and new person. Alamin natin kung ano pa itong good luck na marireceive mo from the universe. Like again guys, affirm natin ito, wag tayong bitter, wag nating sabihin na ayun na naman, new beginning, good luck, ito ganyan. Guys, binablock mo, no? Ikaw na mismo ang nabablock ng iyong mga blessings. Dapat talaga maging positibo tayo palagi, wag tayong bitter, no? Like again, itong video na itong ginagawa ko ay para sa lahat, no? And I do hope this reading find you. And congratulations and good luck dahil marireceive mo na itong family bonding, adventure, new person, whatever it is, alamin natin. And magiging excited ka dito or something this reading will excite you, no? Spirit Angels, let us know about this family bonding sa ating mga collective. I'm so happy for you guys because it's time. The universe is giving you this opportunity to have this family bonding. Okay. Yes. Baka may uuwi. This person can't wait. Itong taong ito, LDR, malayo, siguro this person might gonna give you a message, a new beginning. Siguro reconciliation, family bonding na wala kayo sigurong communication. Lately, namimiss ka ng taong ito, merong communication. May mag-message sa inyo, may siguro invitation, yes. Maybe this person have kid, baka may anak na, baka may anak na ito, or it could be single mom, a parent, siguro nanay mo ito, pinsan. Like again guys, take what's yours here. And yes, good luck. Family bonding. Someone is going to message you, mag-imbita sa inyo, namimiss ka. Maybe somebody is going to send you, no, a gift, flower, or a sweetness message. This could be your new lover kasi meron tayo itong new person. May bagong person na makilala mo. There will be like full of pure love. Tunay na pag-ibig. So it's time to celebrate mga kapatid. Yes, you are guided. You are meant to find this reading. This is one of the blessings na ibibigay ng universe sa inyo. You are being guided. Ito may travel. You have ancestors watching you. Loved ones na sumalangit na. They are protecting you. They want you to have this pure love, overflowing joy. You will be feeling loved by your family. So good luck mga kapatid. I am so happy and proud of you. Yeah. It could be recently yung iba sa inyo feeling toxic, no? Feeling unloved. Yeah, feeling na nasasakal ka na, na-stuck ka na. But then guys, as long as totoo, no? Totoo yung prayers mo kay universe. I'm getting like wish come true could be yung iba dito or prayers came true. Ito na yung hinihintay mo. Siguro I'm getting like habang nananalangin ka, umiiyak ka siguro, sabihin natin na lahat ng mga problema mo, hinanakit, binubuhos mo yung prayers mo dito sa kay universe, lahat ng problema mo. Pinipray mo kay universe. Lahat binubuhos mo yung luha mo. Siguro wala kang mapagsasabihan. Feeling lonely, isolated. Feeling mo na wala nagmamahal sa iyo. Guys, kasi minsan, I'm getting like, kailangan intindihin natin yung blessings na binigay ni universe sa inyo, sa atin. Kasi minsan, the universe is just protecting us away from trouble, from toxic mindset, toxic energy, unwanted people. Kasi minsan feeling natin parang wala nagmamahal sa atin, mas gugustuhin natin na magkulong na lang, ganyan. Kasi parang hindi ka na masaya. It's just that the universe wants you to have this, I don't know, secluded privacy. Or, ang gusto ng universe for you to be surrounded with the people na totoong nagmamahal sa'yo. Kaya nga, siguro lately, yung mga toxic na mga tao, hinaharangan ka ng universe para doon. Mas gustuhin pa ng universe na mag-isa ka na lang muna dyan, kaysa sa makipagplastikan sa mga hindi kailangang mga tao. You know what I mean? So, I know sometime, feeling alone ka, feeling na you against the world, it's better to be alone kaysa makipagplastikan sa ibang mga tao sa paligid. Okay? And this is like, it's just like the universe is helping you. Tinutulungan ka ng universe. Nilalayo ka ng universe sa mga toxic na mga tao, pangyayari. And it's one of the blessings, no? Dahil, like again, it's better to be alone rather than to be surrounded with negative people. Toxic. Bad influence. Yes, binibiyayaan ka ni universe. Siguro this could be related sa new person na darating. Hinihiling mo siguro ito. Maybe new partner. Siguro lately, hinihiling mo kay universe na sana magkaroon ako ng pure love. A person will treat me better from the past. Yes, this person is coming. You will be meeting new person. I'm getting like you might be meeting this person from a friend or travel. One of your adventure. Siguro maggagala ka, pupunta ng beach, or party, and somehow you will be meeting this new person. Hinihiling mo to at darating na. Yung iba naman sa inyo dito, it's like you'll be meeting a new person like a friend. Maybe a friend that na magiging best friend mo. A pure friend. Hindi ka na magiging feeling alone, feeling lonely. Whatever you ask from the universe, kung ano mo yung hinihiling mo kay universe, pinipray mo, darating na. Pure and real. Totoong-totoo. Tunay na pag-ibig, tunay na kaibigan. And yung iba sa inyo dito, you will be feeling love by your children. Kung ikaw itong feeling mo, no? Parang kini-question mo kung mahal ka ba talaga ng mga anak mo or biglaan, no? Yung iba dito sa inyo, magugulat ka na lang. Bigla maging sweet ang iyong mga anak, pamilya, kapatid. You'll be feeling loved by your family. Yeah, minsan parang nagka-question mo, ano? Totoo ba ito? Bakit parang pinagluto ako ng mga anak ko? Bakit pinagluto ako ni nanay, ni tatay? Bakit parang feeling ko parang nasa trono ako? Yeah, lahat inaalagaan ako. Like again, guys, you deserve this. Pure love. Good treatment from your loved ones. A bonding. It's time, no? It's time to make an effort. Kasi nakukuhanan ko na yung mga mahal sa buhay mo na siguro, like again, pinupush sila ni universe para lapitan ka, para suyuin ka, para maging open sila sa inyo, or para mas maramdaman mo na mahal ka nila. Meron kasi ditong parang may bumabawi. Like again, guys, pinupush sila ni universe, especially from your loved one na sumalangit na. It's time to reunite. Meron dito sa inyo, no communication, siguro may mga loved ones ka, no? Family, friends, lately walang communication, later on there will be upcoming communication. Pagtutulungan, giving gifts, surprise. Yung iba sa inyo dito, masusurprise ka dito. Yes, a family member, no communication, lately, wala kang balita sa kanya, and then, itong taong ito ay kamustahin ka, and there will be a good communication between you and your this family member. Maybe it's time to make amends, no? Or magbanding-banding through group chat, or in physical, no? Physically na magkita kayo. Yes, maybe there will be a party, exchange gift. Lalong-lalo na guys, this video is taken during October, no? Malapit na yung mga malapit na yung Christmas. So, yung iba siguro pupunta ng mga party, yes, left and right, yung mga invitation. So, like again, yung feeling na alone ka, feeling bored, you will be receiving this good news, family bonding, adventure, invitation, may bibisita, may bibisita sa inyo, siguro magdala ito ng regalo, sorpresahin ka. Like again, you will be feeling love, pure love. Itong taong darating sa inyo, it's a blessings from the universe. Ito ay biyaya ni universe para sa inyo. Your ancestors, because you deserve this. Ayaw nilang makita kang nalulungkot. Whatever makes you happy. This is pure. Deserve mo ito. And meron sa inyo dito na makakatanggap ng lambing from your partner. Like again guys, congratulations because you deserve this pure love from your loved ones, friends, new person na darating, a pure love, a person na mas starstruck sa inyo, magpapakita ng tunay na pag-ibig. Like again guys, para bang feeling ko na February, parang month of February yung October, makakaramdam ka talaga ng tunay na pag-ibig. Yung mga tao sa paligid mo ma-appreciate ka. Yeah. Paglalambing. Okay. New beginning. Yep. Someone is thinking about you heavily. A family could be or thinking about you na bisitahin ka. Like again, meron kasi ditong may plano. A person is planning to visit you or inviting you. Imbitahin ka para mag-adventure, family bonding could be, or party, whatever it is, bonding, ano. This reading will be more excitement. May excited ka dito mga kapatid sa magaganap so soon. So, alamin natin yung mensahe pa ng universe para sa inyo. Alamin natin about this new person. Let's find out more about this new person. Spirit Guardians, who is this new person na darating sa ating mga collective? Pure love. Okay. Nag-reverse. So, this could be the person na could be related sa trabaho, finances, katrabaho, boss, no? Or, yeah, I'm getting like darating siya. Maybe sa inyo, no? New, but maybe this person's been stalking or spying on you. Itong taong ito ay, hindi na, siya yung tipo na hindi makakatiis. Whoever this person. Hindi siya makakatiis. And yes, Knight of Swords. This person is going to approach you. This person been holding back. Ang tagal-tagal niya nagtitimpi. Itong lihim. Yes, maybe ginuguhit niya yung pangalan mo or sinusulat yung pangalan mo or ginuguhit yung picture mo. Maybe this person's like artistic, painter. Yeah, this could be the sign na this is the person na makilala mo or mag-reach out sa inyo. Masusurprise ka sa taong ito, guys, mga kapatid, dahil hindi na siya makakahintay pa. This could be your partner, family member, like again, new person, or maybe this family member na ipapakita niya sa inyo na nagbago na siya. Whoever this person, nagbago na siya, hindi na siya tulad ng dati. Yes, masusurprise ka sa gagawin niya sa inyo. Yes, a message. Maybe you might be dealing multiple people yung iba dito sa inyo. Dalawang tao. Soon, magpaparamdam ito, mag-reach out sa inyo, may pagtutulungan, may makipag-celebrate sa inyo, babatiin ka, kamustahin ka. Magugulat ka dito dahil ang taong ito ay totoong nagmamahal sa iyo. Thinking about you heavily. Care about you. Yes, dalawa. Nakuhanan ko yung dalawa. And alamin pa natin yung initials nila. Sino itong taong napapaisip sa inyo at tatatru. Yeah, or magpapakita na magandang trato sa inyo. Yeah, pure love, good intention, new person. Yeah, bagong person makilala mo, admirer. This person is like admiring you or spying on you. Like again, hindi na siya makapaghihintay pa or hindi na niya kayang magtimpi. Talagang darating siya, kausapin ka to approach you. Whenever this person can't wait, no? Hindi na siya makapaghintay. Meron itong uuwi. Excited na siya. Whoever this person, it's time to reunite, enjoy, adventure. Ano pa? Sino itong tao? Spirit ka rin, Diyos. New person. E, I, A, another E, 5. It could be on the 5, 4, 6, 5, 4, 6, maybe 46, 56, 65, 64. That could be the age. Or on the 5th, on the 4th, on the 6th. Yes, mag-reach out ang taong ito. May uuwi, may celebration, bonding, family bonding, may kainan, may magbibigay ng regalo, may maglalambing sa inyo. You will be feeling love. Yes, ma-appreciate mo sila. Itong darating. Alright. Ano pa? Important message from the universe. Alright, anong dapat yung malaman? I do hope na satisfied kayo sa initials na nakuha natin dito, ano? Alright, Spirit Guides, anong dapat malaman ng ating mga collective dito? From their ancestors. A message from their ancestors, please. Let's get this. Leave everything to all the angels and God. Yeah. Like again, guys, lahat ng problema, hinanakit, feeling unloved, si universe na ang bahala. Alright? Let go, let God. It's time to move on. Focus on loving yourself. Magtira ka sa sarili mo. That's a main message for you. Magtira ka para sa sarili mo. Yes? Move on and move forward. Like again, confirm. Move on and move forward. Huwag mo nang isipin yung mga taong toxic. Hindi ka mahal. Hindi ka na-appreciate. No? Or binackstab ka. No? Or binitray ka. You don't have to worry about those people because those people are not meant for you. Yeah, so guys, chinicheer up po kayo ni universe, lalong-lalo na ang iyong mga mahal sa buhay na sumalangit na, ano. They want you to feel the love. And yeah, enjoy life, and wag tayong magmukmuk. Yeah, so you'll be receiving this gift, no, galing sa kanila, a message here. Move on and move forward, and don't let the sadness to overtake your happiness. Yes, sabihin natin na nasa kalagitnaan ka ng pagsiselebrasyon, no, or celebration, and then later on makareceive ka ng mga bad news. Guys, that bad news, ignore mo na lang. No? Yeah, ignore nyo na lang, wag mong pansinin, o mga tao. Sabihin natin na may mga tao talaga sa paligid natin na panira. Ignore nyo na lang. Yes, and stay strong. Wag natin pairalin yung emosyon minsan. Dapat ang gusto, kasi dito, nakuhanan ko, focus ka na lang muna sa happiness mo. Sa mga tao sa paligid mo na nagbibigay ng appreciation, pagmamahal. Huwag tayo mag-focus doon sa mga negatibong tao. Sa mga marites, na may mga taong talagang ang intensyon ay sirain yung kasiyahan mo, gusto masira yung araw mo, masira yung beauty mo. Mahal na po yung pagpapaganda, kapatid. So, huwag mong hayaan na maapektuhan ka. Ipakita mo na you are strong enough to handle these people around you or this emotion. Kasi iba dito sa inyo, napaka-emotional. Mas umiiral yung or pinapairal yung emosyon, yung mga sadness. So, cheer up. It's time to focus on loving yourself. Focus on the people na tunay nagmamahal sa inyo, na-appreciate ka. At hayaan mo na si universe ang bahala sa lahat ng mga problema mo. Because you deserve a bonding with your family, enjoy celebration, and adventure, maggagala, lumalabas, or lalabas, like again, celebration, date night, or kakain sa labas. There will be adventure, or somebody na magbibigay suporta sa inyo. I don't know who is this person, but sabihin natin na partner mo biglang bibigyan ka ng pera, no, para mag-shopping galore. Wow, sana all. Para lang ma-cheer up ka. Kasi mahal na mahal ka ng partner mo. Very specific here. Yes. And a new person, like again guys, congratulations and good luck. There will be a new person na makilala mo from a distance, or through messages, mag-message sa inyo. It could be a person from the past na kamustahin ka, chika minute sa inyo. Like again, this emotional baggage or unbalance, no, will end. May mag-i-end dito. A new beginning. Panibagong panimula. Like again, chini-cheer up ka ng universe, your loved ones, na maging masaya ka. Because you deserve this happiness, feeling love, because you deserve this gift from the universe. It's a gift from the universe, guys. So, enjoy and iwasan natin mag-isip ng mga hindi magaganda or from the past. Yeah, so final advice from the universe bago mag-end yung reading natin. Pasensya na guys ha, kayo na pong bahalang umitindi sa akin. Okay, so cheer up mga kapatid. Okay, reconsider your commitment. So, no, 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 no. Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no sa mga negative. And yes, yes, yes for positive. Love yourself and choose happiness. So, have you piled so much on your plate that there's little room for you? Like again, guys, confirm, magtira para sa inyo. Huwag mong ibuhos lahat-lahat. Dahil at the end of the day, ikaw lang din ang mapapahamak, malulungkot. Yes, identify what truly matters and graciously decline the rest. Okay lang kung mag-no. Like again, magtira. There's a universe of meaningful opportunities on the other side of no. In fact, every no makes space for the perfect yes. Your freedom is closer than you think. Yes. Huwag tayong ma-stuck, no? Huwag tayong, sabihin natin may mag-invite sa inyo na unwanted people, sabihin natin na ayaw mo pumunta sa party na ito. You don't have to say yes. You don't have to go. Kasi alam mo na hindi ka magiging masaya dito. Then it's okay to say no. Declined. Like again, choose your happiness. Magtira ka. Alright? And it's time to have fun mga kapatid and enjoy being loved, enjoy the celebration, feeling love, pure love, happiness, success, new beginning. Yes, and people around you, family members will treat you good and will treat you like a queen, an empress. Feeling love, meron kasi ditong aasikasuhin ka ng iyong mga anak with pure love. No? Yeah, maglaban ng, siguro sila bigla yung maglalaban ng mga damit and maglinis ng bahay, like again, magugulat ka dahil babawi sila. May mga taong babawi para sa iyo. Kasi alam nila na mabuti kang tao, lahat binibigay mo. And this time, it's their turn, no? It's time for them to do something for you, to cheer you up, to make you feel love, na andyan sila, hindi ka nag-iisa. So, hanggang dito na mga kapatid. And I love you guys. I do hope na nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito at mararamdaman mo yung pure love during this reading. So, again, hindi ka nag-isa. Andito rin ako ng iyong kapatid. And I love you all. At maraming salamat po sa inyo. Enjoy this adventure. New person. And love yourself. Magtira para sa iyong sarili. Alright? Thank you and bye.